हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है संजय और आप देख रहे हैं बेसिक टू एडवांस। इन दिस वीडियो आई विल सॉल्व द एडवांस लेवल न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम्स रिलेटेड टू एसएफडी एंड बीएमडी। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहला न्यूमेरिकल देखते हैं। लेट्स सी आवर फर्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल। सो दिस इज अ फ्रेम। एक फ्रेम दिया हुआ है हमारे लिए ए बी सी डी ई एफ। दिस इज अ फ्रेम। एट पॉइंट ए एंड एफ अ हिंज इज अटैच्ड। A hinge is attached. At point C, a internal hinge is provided. At point D, a 16-ton load is acting. He is asking what is the reaction at this hinge and at this hinge. So he is asking the RA, HA, RF, HF. चलिए देखते हैं। So let's check क्या ये फ्रेम स्टैटिकली डिटर्मिनेट है या नहीं। So I have to calculate the DOI, that is the degree of indeterminacy, which says total number of unknown reactions. तो हमारे पास unknown reactions कितनी है? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have the 4 number of unknown reactions. और हमारे पास static equilibrium equations कितनी होती हैं? 3. But we know it that the internal hinge, the moment is 0. It means in this particular case, I am also having a one additional static equilibrium equation, that is the movement at the hinge is equal to 0. So now I am having a 4 static equilibrium equation. So DOI is equal to 0. DOI is equal to 0. Now DOI is equal to 0 means I can solve this frame with the help of static equilibrium equations. So I am applying our first static equilibrium equation, that is the summation fx is equal to 0. It means the algebraic sum of all the horizontal forces must be 0. So HA is acting in the positive x direction, so I am taking it as a positive. HF is acting in the negative x direction, so I am taking it as a negative, is equal to 0. It means HA is equal to HF. This is our equation number 1. Now I am applying a second static equilibrium equation, that is the summation Fy is equal to 0. It means the vertical forces. So RA is acting in the positive y direction, RF is acting in the positive y direction, 16-ton load is acting in the downward direction, so negative is equal to 0. It means RA plus RF is equal to 16. This is number 2. Now I am using a third static equilibrium equation, that is the summation of the moment is equal to 0. So I know it that at the internal hinge the moment is equal to 0. So I am taking the moment about the internal hinge, that is the summation MC is equal to 0. Now I have a option. I can take this moment from the left side or from the right side. तो इस केस में सबसे पहले मैं लेफ्ट साइड से मूवमेंट ले लेता हूं, that is the left side. I am taking the movement about the hinge from the left side. लेफ्ट साइड में देखते हैं दिस RA will provide a clockwise movement, so I am taking it a positive, so positive RA at a distance of 4 meter, at a distance of 4 meter. Now this HA will provide a anti-clockwise movement, so I am taking it as a negative, minus HA at a distance of this distance, that is the 4 meter, is equal to 0. It means RA is equal to HA. This is our equation number 3. Now I am taking the moment at the internal hinge from the right side. So taking moment about C is equal to 0 from right side. Right side से movement लेते हैं. So this RF will provide a anti-clockwise movement. It means minus RF multiplication of this much distance, that is the 4 meter. This HA will provide a clockwise movement, so I am taking it as a positive, plus HF at a distance of this one, that is the 4 meter. Now this 16-ton load will provide a clockwise movement, so I am taking it as a positive. 16-ton multiplication of this distance, that is the 2 meter, is equal to 0. It means 2 meter. It means RA is equal to HA. This is our equation number 4. Now I am taking the moment about C is equal to 0 from right side. So taking moment about this moment, so I am taking it as a positive. So I am taking the moment about the internal hinge from the right side. So this RA will provide a clockwise movement, so I am taking it as a positive. 16-ton multiplication of this distance, that is the 2 meter, which equal to 0. It means minus RF plus HF is equal to minus 8, or I can write it as HF minus RF is equal to minus 8. This is equation number 4. So now I am having a 4 equation. Equation number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I am removing some part so that I can solve it. So I am removing this part, this one, and I can also remove this part. Now I am having these 4 equations. That is the RA plus RF is equal to 60. Second is removed. RA is equal to HA is equal to number third. This remove or this one. That is the I can write RF minus HF is equal to 8. Equation number 4. Now from equation number 1, I know it that the HA is equal to HF. So I am putting the HA value in equation number 3. That from the equation number 3, I can have RA is equal to, from in place of the HA, I am putting the value HF. So this is HF. Now I am putting the value of HF in equation number 4. So this value in this equation, that is the RF minus, in place of HF, I am putting the value that is the RA. So RA is equal to 8. So this is equation number 5 I am having. Now from the equation number 5 and the equation number 2, that is the RF plus RA is equal to 16. That is the equation number 2. I am solving it. So this is cancelled out. 2RF is equal to 24. RF is equal to 12 ton. Now I am putting the value of the RF in equation number 2. So I am putting the value of RF in equation number 2. RF 12. It means the RA is equal to 16 minus 12 is equal to 4 ton. So this is. Now once we have the RA value as 4 ton, so from this equation I can write the HF is equal to RA is equal to 4 ton. Now from equation number 1 I have the HA is equal to HF. It means HF is equal to HA is equal to HF value is the 4 ton, so HA is equal to 4 ton. So these are the reactions. So these are the reactions. RA value I have 4 ton, HA value is equal to 4 ton, HF value is equal to 4 ton, and the RF value is equal to 12 ton. So like this we can easily find out the value of the reaction in case of the frame. So this is the end of this video. I have covered the advanced level numerical problems in this video. If you have any problem related to these questions, then please comment to me. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो, then please like, subscribe and share this information with the needy peoples. With this